In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a professional online voting form using Google Forms and AppScript. I will show you how to create the form, prevent duplicate votes, send confirmation email, and at the end the users can see the live results on a public dashboard. You also have a dark mode. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's create our voting form. Open Google Forms, click blank form, and give it a name. Something like Student Council Elections 2025. Add your first question. For example, who should be the next president? And choose multiple choice. Add a few candidates as options and make sure to toggle required at the bottom so nobody skips it. Now go to the settings, the little gear icon, and turn on collect email addresses. This lets us identify unique votes later. Once that's done, click the three dots, then the script editor. Alright, now we are inside AppScript. This is where we add the automation that prevents duplicate votes and sends confirmation emails. This checks if the same email has already submitted the form. If yes, it sends a warning. If not, it sends a confirmation. Click the clock icon on the left, add trigger, select on form submit, and set it to run on form submit, then save it. Now our form automatically emails users and blocks duplicates. Let's make the fun part, live results. Now click on responses, link to sheets, and create a new Google Sheet. This will store every vote submissions in real time. Now go to Extensions, AppScript, and the Links sheet. Delete everything and paste this professional code. Notice that all the links you need, the code, the form, everything, are right there in the description. This part grabs your voting data and sends it to the web page we'll build next. Now create a new HTML file called index and paste this code. All the links you need, the code, the form, everything are right there in the description. What this code does shows both a pie and a bar chart. Displays a total vote counter. Auto-refresh the results. And has a sleek dark mode toggle. See that every time someone votes, the dashboard updates automatically without any refresh needed. Now let's make it public. Click Deploy, New Deployment, Web App. Who has access? Anyone. Deploy and copy the link. That's your public results dashboard. Now let's make it automatically appear after someone votes. Go back to your form, Settings, Presentation. Turn off Show link to submit another response. And add a custom confirmation message like this. Thanks for voting. View live results here. Now paste your dashboard link there. Now after every vote, users instantly see live results. Let's test it. I publish the form. Then I click on Share and copy responder link. As you can see, when I vote and then submit it, instantly I can see the results. I test it again with another account. Now this is the updated result in charts. And that's it. You create a professional online voting form with free tools just with Google Form and AppleScript. You can find the link to the codes and the form in the description and also in our website. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Form. Please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. I will see you in the next tutorial.